For the best dumpster rental in Gilbertsville, Pennsylvania, choose Blue Dumpsters Incorporated. We're committed to providing top-notch service at every step. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a significant cleanout, or a construction project, our team at Blue Dumpsters Incorporated is here to make your job easier with efficient and affordable dumpster rental. Our dedicated team not only ensures timely delivery and pickup but also places the dumpster exactly where and when you need it. You can trust us to be there, providing reliable service when you need it the most. Blue Dumpsters Incorporated lets you focus on your project without worrying about waste removal. Our dumpsters make it easy to keep your site clean and organized. Contractors, homeowners, and business owners trust us for our reliable service and competitive pricing. We understand the importance of staying on schedule and within budget. All our dumpsters are meticulously maintained and clean, ensuring a professional appearance at your site. You can be confident in the quality and cleanliness of our service. Do you have questions or need a quote? Our friendly customer service team is ready to assist you. Visit our website at www.bluedumpstersinc.com Dumpster Rental Gilbertsville, PA, or call 215-999-2583 today to get started. Blue Dumpsters Incorporated, your partner in clean, efficient waste management.